that's just a state of mind. I'll lay several hours in the night, so whenever you call, remember Central Time. Writing of the indefensible wrongs accrued with every passing day, chanting with the insurrectional songs and hoping things will fall in place. They'll fall in place. The sun will set for a long time, golden hour, never far. The moon revolves in a strange line where we are. Sometimes I know love gets hard to find in a flyover state that's just a state of mind. I'll lay several hours in the night, so whenever you call, remember Central Time. Sometimes I know love gets hard to find in a flyover state that's just a state of mind. I'll lay several hours in the night, so whenever you call, remember Central Time.
And ain't no way around it since this time zone shit been founded. Stretch my pockets, switch accountants. Postal if I'm not next to you. By coastal, I'm just one flight away. I just pray the plane never tidal wave. Pray never crash when you type my name. But fuck a text message, just call me back. I need a FaceTime. 2 hours ahead, don't waste time. Speed racer, she don't need the brake lines. Just a payphone, need her on my hotline. 60 minutes, we be acting like it's dateline. Take that shit straight into a date night. Take all night, we get home late night. Then I take a red eye, now I'm sitting stateside. And I can only think about what a great night.